Today we shall be talking about Sikh Gurus. There were 10 Sikh Gurus in the Sikhism. Sikhism founded by the Guru Nanak. Sikhism was founded by Guru Nanak. Starting from Guru Nanak to Guru Govind Singh. Guru Govind Singh. There were 10 Sikh Gurus in the Sikhism. So coming to the point of first Sikh Guru, Guru Nanak. Guru Nanak, born in 1469 at Talwandi, present Guru Nankana Sahib in Pakistan. His father was Mehatakulu, father Mehatakalu, and mother Tripati Devi. Mother Tripati Devi. Guru Nanak in 1498 he married Sulakni and was soon blessed with two sons. He had two sons, Sri Chand and Lakshmi Das. Sons were Sri Chand and Lakshmi Das. These two were the sons of the Guru Nanak. Before his death, Guru Nanak, he declared Bhai Lehna as his successor. He was latter period popular as Guru Angad. Popular as a Guru Angad. The teachings of Guru Nanak. Spiritual guide is very essential. According to the Guru Nanak, spiritual guide is essential to lead the people on to the right path. Guru Nanak put emphasis on the theory of karma and on the principles of morality. The goal led by the Guru Nanak is supreme bliss or Sachkhand. Supreme bliss or Sachkhand. So these were the teachings of Guru Nanak. After the Guru Nanak, next to second Guru, Guru Angad. Second Guru was Guru Angad. Guru Angad, he was from 1538 to 1552. He invited Gurumukhi script. He was very popular by the introduction of the Gurumukhi script, which was completely dedicated to the Sikhism. Guru Angad introduced Gurumukhi alphabets by improving Landa, that is Landa, Gurumukhi script. With the help of Bala, Guru Angad, he compiled Janam Sakhi, the life history of Guru Nanak. It was the life history of Guru Nanak. He founded a new city called Goindwal. A new city was founded by the Guru Angad. After the Guru Angad, third Guru was Guru Amaradas. Third Guru, Guru Amaradas, he was Guru from 1552 to 1574. Guru Amaradas, he was originally the first devotee of Lord Vishnu. He was first devotee of Lord Vishnu. Then later turned into the Sikh fold. Later he turned into the Sikh fold. Guru Amaradas. He prohibited sati and he condemned Parda system. He also declared not to drink alcohol to his advised to not to take alcohol to his followers. And he set up Manji system. He set up a Manji system. which some devoted disciples of the Guru's speech, the Guru's message, and he established a new hymn. He established a new hymn, that is a new mantra for the birth, marriage, and death. For all these ceremonies, he introduced, he created a new hymns, that is new song for the Sikhs. He established he composed, sorry, he composed Anand. He composed Anand, A-N-A-N-D, Anand, to be sung by his followers on all occasions, for the all occasions, whatever the happy occasion would be, for that all the happy occasions, he created or he composed a song on the name of Anand, that is happiness. So Emperor Akbar granted him 500 bighas of land on the name of Guru's daughter. Her daughter name was Bibi Dhani. Bibi Dhani. Next, during the time of the third Guru, Guru Amar Das period, the differences between Hinduism, the differences between the Hinduism and Sikhism, these were started. The differences between these two religions were more pronounced during the time of the Guru Amar Das period. After the Guru Amar Das, the fourth Guru was Guru Ramadas. Guru Ramadas, he was fourth Sikh Guru. Fourth one. Guru Ramadas from 1574 to 1581. He was a son-in-law of Guru Amar Das. Son-in-law of Guru Amar Das, and also husband of, he was husband of Bibi Dhani. Guru Amar Das, son-in-law and also husband of Bibi Dhani. Guru Ramadas. Guru Ramadas, he laid the foundation of a new city called Ramadaspur. He laid a foundation of a new city called Ramadaspur, and he undertook the building of two tanks, that is Amritsar and Santoshkar. Amritsar and Santoshkar, these two cities were constructed by the Guru Ramadas. And also he laid the foundation of the Masand system. Masand system. Guru Ramadas laid the foundation of Masand. Masand system means collecting 1/10 of the income of Sikh people for the development of the Sikhism. And he was granted the area of Amritsar. He was granted an area of Amritsar by the Mughal Emperor Akbar. Guru Ramadas period. Guru Ramadas, he constructed a city called Chak Guru of Ramadaspura. Chak Guru of Ramadaspura. Chak Guru of Ramadaspura, which later became Amritsar. Later it became Amritsar. Next, coming to the point of the fifth Guru, Guru Arjan Dev. He was most important Guru, Guru Arjan Dev. Guru Arjan Dev from 1581 to 1605. The greatest achievement of the fifth Guru, Guru Arjan Dev, he compiled Adi Granth. Adi Granth, it was also called as Guru Granth Sahib. The Guru Granth Sahib, it was a Bible of Sikhs, sacred book of the Sikh people. And Guru Arjan Dev also compelled the town Ramadaspura. Ramadaspura, he compelled the Ramadaspura. Guru Arjan Dev also founded a cities like Taran Taran, Kartarpur, and Govindapur, Govindapur, and Chaharta. So these cities were constructed by the Guru Arjan Dev, the fifth Guru of the six. And Guru Arjan Dev encouraged his followers to trade horse trade. He encouraged horse trade for his followers. The Guru was executed by Jahangir in 1606 because Guru Arjan Dev, he blessed the eldest son of the Jahangir, eldest son Kushru or Kushrusha. Kushrusha revolted against his father and he went to the Guru Arjan Dev. Guru Arjan Dev gave support to the Kushrusha. That's why Guru Arjan Dev was killed by the Jahangir. Jahangir felt that the Guru was trying to found a state within the state of the Mughal Empire. The Guru also enjoyed the title Sacha Padshah. He was also enjoyed the title Sacha Padshah, real emperor. Guru Arjan helped Prince Kushru, the revolted son of the Jahangir. The animosity between Chand Shah, the finance minister of the Lahore, and the Guru, that was also cause for the killing of the Guru. The Guru refused to include passages of the praise Muhammad in Adi Granth. He also refused to give a prize, that means to include Muhammad in the Adi Granth. He did not accept it to include Muhammad in the Adi Granth. Prithia, the elder brother of Guru, also turned against him. So all these were the causes of the death of Guru Arjan Dev in 1605. After the sixth one was Guru Hargobind. Guru Hargobind, he was very popular Guru from 1606 to 1645. He founded a new policy. He founded a new policy combining both spiritual and temporal powers through holding two swords. The two swords' name was Piri and Miri, respectively. Two swords. So that the features of the new system, the first feature of the new system was combining both the spiritual and temporal powers through the holding of the two swords, Piri and Miri. He began to have the symbol of the royalty like Chatar, symbol of royalty like Chatar, and Kalgi. So royal symbols. He began to have symbols of the holding like Chatar and Kalgi. He got constructed a new building, that is what called as Akal Takht. Akal Takht, it was a throne for the Guru. It was a throne for the Guru. Later period, it was cast for the Operation Blue Star during the time of the Indira Gandhi in 1984. Behind the Akal Takht, there was a revolutionary terrorist was there behind the Akal Takht. People, they entered into the Akal Takht. That was not accepted by the Sikhs. Later period, Indira Gandhi was killed by the Sikh people. That was happened. He organized regular forces and contingent of the Pathans under Painde Khan. For the first time, the Sikhs were transformed from a devotional sect to a militant anti-Muslim brotherhood. For the first time, the Sikhs transformed from a devotional sect to a militant anti-Muslim brotherhood. And he also constructed a fort called as Lohgarh. Sixth Guru, Guru Hargobind, constructed Lohgarh, a fort at Amritsar. He was confined at Gwalior Fort in 1616 for some time. He fought 3 battles with Shah Jahan, like 1628 Battle of Amritsar, 1631 Battle of Lahira, and 1634, that is Battle of Kartarpur. He developed langar system also. Langar system, that is common dinner. Developed langar system, that is common dinner in the. He retired to hills after the defeat of these 3 battles in the hands of the Mughals, where he spent his last time at the hills. So that was the sixth Guru. Next, seventh Guru of the sixth, seventh Guru, Guru Hararai. Guru Hararai, he was seventh Guru from 1645 to 1661. He was the grandson of Guru Hargobind. Grandson of Guru Hargobind. In 1645, he became Guru at the age of 14 years. In the War of Succession, he gave help to the Dara. In the War of the Succession, Dara Shikoh, he helped to the Dara Shikoh, the eldest son of Shah Jahan. But later period, Guru Hararai was killed by Aurangzeb because Dara Shikoh was against of the Aurangzeb in the Battle of Succession War. In 1661, in the year 1661, he died at Kartarpur, having 5 years old son. His 5 years old son named Harikishan. He was eighth Guru. Eighth Guru Harikishan. Eighth Guru was Guru Harikishan. Guru Harikishan, he was from 1661 to 1664. Guru Harikishan, he was a son of Guru Hararai. He became Guru at the age of 5 years. At the age of 5 years in 1661. He had to meet opposition of his brother Ram Roy. And in 1664, he died because of smallpox. Because of the smallpox. He died because of smallpox disease at the age of 9 years. So after the 8th Guru, the 9th Guru was Guru Tez Bahadur. Guru Tez Bahadur, he was a 9th Guru. He was Guru from 1664 to 1675. He was born as a son of Guru Hargobind. In 1622, he born as a son of Guru Hargobind at Amritsar. He became Guru in 1664 at Nakala place. At Amritsar, he found the gates of Harmandir. He found the gates of the Harmandir at Amritsar. Guru Tez Bahadur. In 1675, he put to death by the Aurangzeb. 1675, he was hanged, executed by the Aurangzeb, because there was a world enmity between the Mughals and the Sikhs. That is one point. And the second point, Tomrai provoked the emperor against Guru. So, and also this Guru Tez Bahadur, he helped to the Kashmiri Pandits, those who were expelled from the Kashmir by the Aurangzeb. So he followed the aggressive policies against the Aurangzeb. That's why Guru Tej Bahadur was hanged by the Aurangzeb. Next, last Guru and 10th Guru, he was Guru Govind Singh. From 1675 to 1708. Govind Singh, he was a son of Guru Tej Bahadur. Born in 1666 at Patna. He organized an assembly of Anandapur, and acquired Pinj Pire or Panj Pire, the five beloved ones. These five beloved ones was Dharmadas, Dayaram, Himmat Rai, Mahakam, Chand Sahib. These were the five people. They were called as Panj Pire. And during his period, he made Anandapur as his headquarters. Anandapur was the headquarters of the Guru Govind Singh. In 1687, he fought with Mughals at the Battle of Nadaun, but he was not succeeded. He was defeated by the Mughals. The most important thing belongs to the Guru Govind Singh. 1699, he inaugurated Khalsa system. He inaugurated Khalsa system in 1699. 30th March 1699, on the day of Baisakhi. On the day of Baisakhi day, he inaugurated Khalsa system. Khalsa refers to both spiritual group, that is a special group of the warriors. It was a special group of warriors as well as the community that considered the Sikhism as its faith. Both Khalsa systems should be followed by the warriors and the Sikh groups. A Khalsa Sikh was given to the title male of the Khalsa Sikh Guru, given the title Singh, and female given the title Kaur. And the rules of the life included behavioral code, that is Rahit, such as Rahit means no tobacco. They should not have the tobacco, and no alcohol, no halal meat to eat. And also he introduced a dress code for the Sikhs, a dress code. In the Khalsa system, introduced a dress code with 5 Ks. One is a kesh, that is uncut hair. Second one is Kanga. Kanga, it is a wooden comb for the hair. Third one was Kara. Kara, it is an iron bracelet. Kara. Fourth one was Kachera. Everyone starts with K. Kachera, that was 100% cotton, 100% cotton variable, which is an undergarment. 100% cotton undergarment, that is just like a knicker. And fifth one is a kirpan, that is a dagger. a small knife, an iron dagger large enough to defend yourself. So they have to wear all these five things, 5 Ks. This is the Khalsa system which was introduced by the Guru Govind Singh. In 1708, Guru Govind Singh, he went to the Nanded and he died there. It was a suspected death of last Guru, Guru Govind Singh. He went to the Nanded along with Bahadur Shah I and he died there. Nobody knows the cause of the death of last Guru. After the 10th Guru, Sikhs, they organized as a militant group against anti-Muslim, that is anti-Mughal group, that was started by the leaders like Banda Bahadur and all these things. Banda Bahadur and all the people. So this is about the Sikh Gurus.